Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on profile views on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok account, and after this, in here just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And now if you wanna turn on profile views on TikTok, so you just click on the three lights icon at the top, and then in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And after this, in here you can click on the privacy, and after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see um, profile views, this one. Click on it, and after this, in here you can click this icon until you can see this is a green button like this. And now you can go back, and after this and finish. So that how to turn on profile views on TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.